Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change notes colors on Instagram. So let's get started. But before we begin, you gotta make sure that your Instagram is updated. So you gotta head over to App Store or Google Play Store, search for Instagram and make sure that it's not written update over here. If it is written update, simply click on that so that your Instagram is updated because this is a new feature. So once it's updated, simply open Instagram and then click on your direct messages option, and at the top left, you'll be able to see your note. So you're going to click on it, and here you'll be able to see a canvas icon. Click on it, and here are numerous colors that you can choose from. So for example, I want my note to be, let's say, red. Click on it and then click on apply, and now you can type in anything you want. Click on share, and now you can see that my note is red. Now, if I wish to change it to any other one, so let's just click on it again. This time, let's make it yellow and click on apply, type in anything again, click on share, and now you can see that it is yellow. And well, that is how you can change notes color on Instagram. So if you find this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.